Hello everyone, today's topic or discussion is importance of recycling. First of all, let us know what is actually recycling. Recycling is processing waste materials and using them to make new products. For example, old newspapers are recycled and can be made into new paper products such as paper, tissues, cardboard, etc. Now let us come to the main discussion of this video, that is importance of recycling. First point says it helps in building a sustainable world. By recycling things, we can prevent valuable materials from mixing into the garbage. By this, we can reduce the need for the extraction of more resources from the planet. So, this helps in building a sustainable world. Secondly, it also reduces the burden of garbage on the planet. Daily, a huge amount of garbage goes into landfills. More garbage means more space is needed for landfills. That will result in reduced space for us to live and for farming. Third point is landfills are one of the top sources of methane emissions. So, recycling can help in reducing these emissions. By saving natural resources, we can secure the future of the next generation. Moreover, by encouraging recycling, future generations too will follow the route. Moving to next point, plastic and other harmful products affect wildlife. There are several incidents of animals getting hurt by consuming plastic. These incidences can be prevented by sending harmful but recyclable products to recycling plants. Also, non-recycled can cause air and water pollution. So, it is very important to recycle recyclable products. A huge part of garbage produced every day is recyclable. Next point says recycling can save power and fossil fuels. It requires so much energy to extract resources from the earth and make new products. Comparatively, recycling uses very less energy to make new products from the old things. So, recycling can save power and hence fossil fuels. By reducing the need for fossil fuels, we can keep fuel prices affordable. These days, garbage is being incinerated, which means burned and converted into ash, instead of adding them to landfills to save space. But incineration uses energy and hence uses non-renewable fossil fuels. So, recycling can save this energy too. Moreover, the incineration ash is largely mismanaged and as a result, toxic chemicals are being mixed into the air and are worsening the air pollution. Next point is the recycling industry creates plenty of employment opportunities, mostly green jobs. Also, recycling helps people and the country's economy in the long run. Some plastic can take 500 to 1000 years to break down organically. So, recycling them into new product is much better to prevent harm to the environment. When we learn about recycling, we also learn about the impact of the things we purchase on the environment. So, recycling educates us about the need for protecting our planet. As a result, we may become cautious about our purchases. Now, what can we do? By following the principle of the 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle, we can protect the environment. If we reduce the number of things we buy, there will be lesser need for recycling. Secondly, we can also buy reusable products instead of disposable one, which can reduce the formation of garbage. Sharing items that are used occasionally can help the environment and also help us economically. We can also buy easily recyclable products that use less packaging, which can help in reducing the burden on the environment. Also, separating recyclable waste from other waste and sending them to recycling plants will prevent the wastage of valuable materials. It will also save space in landfills for non-recyclable items. We can also buy recycled products such as recycled paper, tissues, etc., which can encourage the recycling industry. Now let us talk about some other important points on this topic. The Bureau of International Recycling is a global recycling industry association. It was founded in 1948. It promotes recycling and facilitates free and fair trade of recyclables. March 18 is celebrated as Global Recycling Day. The day is utilized to promote awareness of recycling. To conclude, recycling reduces daily garbage. It eases pressure on natural resources and secures the future by supporting sustainability. Its importance has grown with increasing population and materialism. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.